Right guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adam and I'm back with a new one today, and from the title you can see we're doing the off-white Nike Air Force Ones, the black version right now anyways for this video. And I know they did come out sometime last year, that's 2018. It's actually funny saying that last year, but welcome to the 5th of January. This is my first video of the year, so happy new year to all of you watching, and I hope you do have a great year. But so I guess we should just get on into the video and just do my sort of style of a review. And I say my style because I'm not a comprehensive like trainer review guy, because I don't know too much about it, but I just, anyways, without me rambling, before we head into the video as well, I should announce that I'm doing a giveaway. There's a giveaway running right now for the Sky Blues from the Inspiration Pack, and in order to enter the giveaway you just need to follow me on Instagram at ADAMBIGUOUS, and also subscribe to this channel and whatnot, and just click the link in the description below and you should sort of see what you gotta do. And yeah, with that being said, let's just head on into the video. Right, so the shoes we have here today is the off-white Nike Air Force Ones, the black version right now. They did make two colors, which is the Volt and also the black ones, which we have right here. And I do own the Volt as well, so I could actually make a video in that. If this video, let's say hits, I don't know, 30 likes or 50 likes, let's go for 50 likes. So if you can slap 50 likes in this video, I'll do a video on the Volt ones as well. But yeah, I thought I should make this video even though these came out the 19th of December and today's the 5th of January. Like I said, happy new year's to everyone. And yeah, I thought I should make a video because I haven't seen no style of like my sort of review, because in my head I feel like I got a style of review, because I don't go in depth and whatnot with all of these because I'm not too good with that. However, yeah, because I like the shoes, that's why I have bought them here, and also I feel I should just make a video about these. Just to mention quickly, I did buy these for, I had to pay resale for these. Like, there was no way I was not gonna get these shoes. I didn't get them on the release day, hence why there wasn't no video, so I had to wait for these to ship and whatnot. So but yeah, here, I guess here the video is right now taking place as you're watching it anyways. So let's just get into actual, you know, talking about the shoe itself. So it has, from the back of it, just looking at it out the box and whatnot, even though I've worn these already, you can see it does have like some deconstructed sort of vibe to it, because you can see the foams, and it's just like, look at the Nike swoosh as well, it's just like stitched onto it, and it's got this flappy bit here. If I can show you, look, this bit is not stitched on properly, so it's not the usual Air Force One that you have. There's an actual twist to it where Virgil was like put on these, I guess. And I would say the whole color just consists of black, white and a bit of orange here to create some sort of contrast, like I always say. And then just stating the obvious again, it says air here in quotation marks. That's Virgil's handwork as well, that's his whole thing. And then here it says logo, and it's this like a suede bit of the, I'm gonna show a close-up of that just so you lot can see it, but it just say logo and in quotation marks as well. And then that's about it for the trainers, and it does come with extra laces, so it does come with white ones, but I don't know, I like the whole black stealthy look that it's got to it, because the shade of black they used on these and the different materials, because this is like a suede material going down where the laces are, and also where the logo is, it's all suede as well. And then the other material, I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's the shade of black that these got is like a different shade. And then on the other side, it just says the whole off-white for Nike beaver in and whatnot, I don't know, 1982. And then it's got the blue zip tie to this one, so the color of these are basically just like the Zoom flies that I did the review on, my last sneaker review. If you haven't watched that, then go watch it. Yeah, so that's about it for the trainer itself, I guess. Yeah, it does inside the sole as well, in the insole it says the 10 with the off-white logo as well. I'm gonna try and make sure I get some close-ups of these so you can see the details, and I might put it up while I'm speaking. Yeah, to catch my breath and whatnot, I just say we're just getting into like the on feet, like not sort of on feet review, it's just like a on feet, my style of the on feet review and whatnot. Everyone that's been rocking with me from the start, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if you're new, man, just slap a like in this video if you do like it, and then subscribe at the end of the video if you think I deserve it. And yeah, let's just head on into the on feet review.
need a taste. Hooked on you and addict, I can't let you slip away. Take me in, take me down, I wanna feel your love right now. Take me in, take me down, I wanna feel your love right now. Take me in, take me down, I wanna feel your love right now. Your love.
All I need is your love tonight, tonight. Now all I need is your love tonight.
Right, I hope you've enjoyed what I put together for you lot, and this is just a short and snappy video. I just thought I should make this, and like I said, if this video hits 50 likes, I'm gonna make the same thing but with the Volt color of these, which is the greenish color that the style to this Air Force One. So yeah, I do hope you did enjoy what I put together, and if you did, just smash a like in this, because it does help me a lot, I guess. And also subscribe to the channel if you're new as well. And then for you lot that have been here from the start, man, shout out to you. Just keep doing what you're doing, man, I appreciate it. But yeah, with all that being said, I guess that's the end of the video, so I'm out, trust me.